The Corp Drone-in-a-Box partnership with HV Dynamics provides a solution where you can extract the human from harsh environments and control drones remotely from drones in boxes positioned all over infrastructure sites. It has the ability to be launched remotely. You can actually take off, fly the mission, come back and land and be recharged, ready for the next mission within an hour.
The H3 Dynamic Box is a completely automated drone-in-a-box system for situation awareness, for inspection, as well as for security and surveillance.
The Remote Operations Center has the ability to control the drone and have eyes on the scene from a remote location. Corp has the ability to adapt its technology to Australian conditions and other challenging operating environments.